Hello there, dear friends. So I teach D&D to kids, and thanks for subscribing to the channel, by the way. Over 15,000 viewers now, or subscribers. And this is Into the Wilds by Tom Kartos. I find the link, I'll put it in the description box, and these are basically battle maps for Dungeons & Dragons. And I want to show you forests and villages today. So this is actually in Volume 1, Forests and Villages. And I'll show you the battle maps here. So I'm just going to page through. Here you can see a broken cart. You can see like here, there's a figurine. 1x1 standard figures. You can put these all over the map. This is dry erase. So all you need is paper towel and dry erase markers. But anyway, here we go. So here's like a blank crossroad. So you can like, he has a lot of maps that have like details on here. And then he has maps that are purposely laid bare so that you can draw your own things on them. This looks like where Dorothy met the Scarecrow. This could be the Yellow Brick Road. And then here's that same crossroad, just without the details. It's a boat dock for your same part of the shoreline without any dock. There's a bridge across the river. It's like a rope bridge. There's that same river. Tree falling down on a cart. Could be like after a windstorm or a dragon attack. That's the same bit of road. And these are numbered, so like the pages, they have page numbers. It's like the Jefferson Memorial from above. Post-apocalyptic, maybe? Magic circle, maybe? Some stables, a pig pen, place for the trough for the horses to eat. This could happen out behind the tavern or in a small town. You could have an adventure there. There's a nice little pond. Get some picnic tables. Got some lily pads over here. And here's just a basic pond. I love how they have the blank slates. That really makes... Do you think that's nice? Put it in the comments below if you like that. Here's like, okay, we're going to camp for the night. All right. Might have an encounter here. Well, what's your camp look like? Did you bring tents? Are you just like sleeping out in the open? Do you have bedrolls? This looks like a, center of town where you have the well. You got some sleeping quarters. You just have some blank buildings. All right, here you have a stream. Oops, I must have skipped one. Yep, I did. There's the water wheel. Stream. So I like how these are labeled. These are numbered pages so that when you're writing your adventure, you can mark them. Usually I put like some Post-it notes to mark them so that I can easily flip to each one. Here's a place where like maybe lumberjacks are clearing the forest. There's that crossroad without anything on it. This one's just like a kind of a forest. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the Shire, maybe. If you don't know what that's from, you're new to D&D. Here it looks like maybe a trapper's hunting lodge or something like that. There we go. What's this? Maybe a church? Yeah. Gravestones. Crypt. There's a place just closed in with some stone walls. All right. What's going on here? This guy's got like a workshop here. There's just like a random building, empty. You can fill it up with whatever you want. I like how it has the wooden plank floors. And then here's just a basic open space, and that's 70 different pages. So 35 kind of like lay open maps. And then here's like a guide of like what all of those look like so that you can find them quickly. Yeah. So TTRPG battle maps at tomkartos.com. Thanks, Tom. And I'll see if I can get Tom on the show, actually. So we'll see if we can interview him about these maps. All right, I hope you guys have a great day out there. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. We'll do the next one. Which one will we do next? Ooh, let's do Dungeons and Crypts. All right.